You've been told your exhaustion is adrenal fatigue, that your tiredness comes from overworked glands that just can't keep up. You've spent money on special supplements, cortisol tests, and strict diets. But what if the real problem isn't your adrenals at all? What if everything you've been told about fatigue is wrong? The term adrenal fatigue was invented in 1998 by a chiropractor, not an endocrinologist. It's never been recognized by the World Health Organization or the Endocrine Society. Real adrenal insufficiency Addison's disease is a severe medical condition requiring hospitalization. The vague burnout version sold to millions? It's often a misdiagnosis of something far more fixable. Your fatigue likely comes from one of these 5 hidden culprits, and each requires a completely different solution. The first is nervous system dysregulation. When you live in constant stress, your body gets stuck in fight-or-flight mode. Your muscles stay tense, your digestion slows, and your brain stays alert even when you're exhausted. This is an adrenal failure. It's your body stuck in the on position. The second culprit is mitochondrial dysfunction. These tiny power plants in your cells produce energy. Chronic stress, poor sleep, and toxins damage them. The result, you can sleep 10 hours and still wake up drained. Unlike fictional adrenal fatigue, mitochondrial damage shows up on specialized blood tests like organic acid tests, and it's treatable. Number 3 is stealth anemia. Standard blood tests often miss iron deficiency without anemia or B12 absorption issues. Your ferritin stored iron could be critically low, while your hemoglobin looks normal. Doctors dismiss you because your basic CBC is fine, but your cells are literally starving for oxygen. The fourth cause is sleep disruption masquerading as fatigue. You might be getting 8 hours in bed, but only 90 minutes of deep sleep. Sleep trackers reveal people with adrenal fatigue often have undiagnosed sleep apnea or disrupted circadian rhythms from late-night screen use. The fifth and most overlooked, emotional energy leaks, toxic relationships, unresolved trauma, and people-pleasing drain more energy than physical labor. A 2023 UCLA study found that 15 minutes of emotional stress depletes cells faster than 8 hours of physical work. The adrenal fatigue industry wants you dependent on endless supplements and restrictive protocols. Real solutions start with identifying your actual root cause. Nervous system dysregulation requires vagus nerve exercises, not adrenal cocktails. Mitochondrial. Repair needs targeted nutrients like CoQ10 and ALA-nogeneric adaptogens. Iron deficiency demands proper testing in high-dose iron, not sea salt and licorice root. Your energy crisis isn't a life sentence. The human body is designed to heal when given the right conditions. But first, you must abandon the adrenal fatigue myth and investigate what's truly happening inside your cells. The answers exist. The testing exists. The treatments exist. You've just been looking in the wrong place. If you've spent years chasing an adrenal fatigue diagnosis with no results, comment below with your symptoms. Let's decode your fatigue together.